Hello all and welcome to Wow Crochet. My name is Mary and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to do the chainless single crochet stitch. And this stitch is exactly what it says it is chainless. And it makes life a little bit easier when you're chaining on say 498,000 billion stitches because you want to make this massive blanket to fit the universe. And then you find you've made a mistake, you can take it undone. And you don't need all those stitches, so you've taken that one or two undone and you don't have to worry about chains dangling down. It works both ways. If you want to add, it works that way as well, and I'll show you the adding once we start. If you do not know how to do a single crochet stitch or a chain or a slip knot, please go check out my tutorials further back and have a practice and come back to us. So let's get started. Okay, let's do a quick slip knot. Okay, all right, so you will need two chains to at least start with, and then after that you won't need them anymore. So it's chain one and chain two. That's the only chains you will see in this tutorial. Now you need to put your hook in your chains as normal. You're putting them through both of those loops on that stitch there. Pull up a loop and you have two loops on your hook. Now ordinarily we would yarn over hook and pull through both stitches or both loops on the hook. This time we're only going to pull it through the first loop and leave it there. Then yarn over hook, pull it through the both of those loops. Okay. Now to do the next one, you've got to turn it and put it through those two stitches right there. Or it's actually one stitch. It's the V. Okay, you're pulling it through the V. So yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook, pull through the first one, yarn over hook, pull through the second one. This is pretty much all it is. Turn and put it through. See that stitch right there? One there and one underneath it. So you pulled it through both of those stitches there. Well, it's actually one stitch. I keep saying both, but it's actually one. So yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook, pull through the first loop, yarn over hook, pull through the second loop. This is pretty much basically all it is. So you find those two little, that chain right there, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook, pull through the first loop, yarn over hook, pull through both loops on the hook. So this is what you're getting. So now you realized that you have messed up and your 2005 billion stitches, you're one short. And now instead of undoing all of your single crocheting, coming back and undoing all of the chains or adding that chain and then starting all over again, all you need to do at the end of that row is add another stitch. So you find that stitch there, yep, and the back stitch. So it's actually one stitch really. And then you yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook, pull through the first loop, yarn over hook, pull through the second loop. It is very basic, isn't it? Very basic. And it's a different look. So when you're looking at a normal single crochet, it'll look a little bit different. But once you do your next row, so we'll turn, or actually I like to chain one first and then turn, but it doesn't matter. It will look exactly the same, and you'll be single crocheting on top of that single crochet. So you've actually done a row of single crochet and a row of chain without even noticing it. Okay, so it's very basic, very, very basic. Ta-da! Not bad, huh? Okay, so if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button for any further tutorials that you would like to see. Please visit my Etsy and my madeit.com.au stores, and happy crocheting. Ciao for now.